Hi, Steve Norton, anxiety specialist here. So let's face it, for the last 14 months, we've all been through the ringer. We've all been tormented basically by what's been going on in the world and life, and especially in this country. And for the last 14 months, we've been living under the lockdown restrictions and fear and a lot of basically negative brainwashing. And there's no way that that wouldn't have had some sort of effect on us. I absolutely know it has on people, because anxiety and stress is something that generally builds up and we almost like get used to it along the way. So here's the thing, now that the shops have opened today, that doesn't mean that anxiety's gone away. The residue of anxiety can stay with us for quite a long time. So now is a good time to actually look at things and say, look, it's time I start to give myself a little bit of TLC. And we do that for everything else. You know, we go and get our hair done, we get our makeup done, all that other stuff. But we also need to do is look after our minds, because our minds have literally been battered for the last 14 months. Every time you put the radio on, coronavirus, negativity. Every time you look at a bus shelter, pictures of the virus and the pandemics. Every time you put the TV on, the newspaper on, we have been put in a state of fear for the last 14 months. And there's no way that hasn't had some sort of psychological effect on everyone. So what I'm saying to you is, now is the time to actually get some more normality back to your life. And I can help you. I can teach you in a couple of ways. I can teach you how to start to reprogram out of your system all of this negativity that's built up over the last 14 months. And there's two ways I can do it. You can either work one-to-one with me, or you can go to my online only program. Both ways work really, really well. Because we need to get rid of that residue that's built up inside of you. That 14 months of just negative brainwashing about death and all sorts of stuff. Let's get some sort of normality back. Let's get that happiness back. Let's get you smiling again. So if that sounds like something that you need, something that you want, and it certainly is, get in touch with me and we can either chat about some one-to-one sessions, or we can talk about how my online program can get things back to some sort of normality for you. In fact, better than normal, better than what it was before. And you really can do that. So thanks for listening, and we'll speak soon. Bye for now.